Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to run webinar funnel inside GoHighLevel in 2025, step by step, simple and effective. Create a funnel in your GoHighLevel dashboard, click funnels, then add a new one. Choose a template or build from scratch. You will need three main pages: a registration page, a thank you page, and a webinar room or replay page. Step 2. Set up the registration page, add a headline to your webinar, date and time, and a sign up form that collects names and emails. This form will automatically push contacts into your GoHighLevel CRM. Step 3. Automation. Go to workflows and create an email plus SMS reminder sequence. Send a confirmation message right after sign up, the reminder 24 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes before the webinar. This maximizes attendance. Step 4. Connect your webinar. You can host directly with GoHighLevel, Zoom, or Google Meet integration, or embedded a live stream link right into your funnel page. Step 5. Follow up funnel after the webinar. Send out a replay link and add a call to action like booking a call, purchasing your course, or sign up for your device. Pro tip: tag all registrants based on whether they attend or missed. That way you can separate targeted follow-up campaigns and never lose a lead. And that's it. Build your funnel, set up reminders, connect your webinar, and follow up with GoHighLevel. The whole process is automated, saving you time and boosting conversations. Thank you everyone for watching.